Hello, I'm Rodrigo Guth. I'm from Brazil and I'm 22 years old. Amazing beaches, waterfalls, forests. Especially we have one particular animal you cannot see everywhere. It's called capybara. And in the park you can walk there, you see the animals are there freely, so it's really nice. We have an amazing list of players, amazing players in Brazil. I expect to win. The World Cup is ours this year. This time is the good one, we're expecting to win it, so let's see. For me, Thiago Silva and Marquinhos are like inspirations. I always see them play from always when I was young. And the main guy is Neymar. I think everybody knows him, so I hope he can bring it to us.
Can you do it in Brazilian?
Like, I will do it, but in the camera, defenders cannot never sing, so it's for the next time.
Please, I think you're a very good singer.
I don't know, maybe we have one song like Brazil, la 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 la, la 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 la. Vai Brasil!